How to monetize your YouTube videos? There are several ways to monetize your YouTube videos. Ad revenue. You can enable ads on your videos and earn money through the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible, your channel needs to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll earn a share of the ad revenue generated from your videos. Sponsorships. You can reach out to companies and offer to feature their products or services in your videos in exchange for a fee. This can be a lucrative option if you have a large and engaged audience. Affiliate marketing. If you include links to products in your videos, you can earn a commission every time someone clicks on a link and makes a purchase. Merchandise. If you have a loyal audience, you can sell merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, or other branded items. You can use a platform like Teespring to create and sell your merchandise. Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to receive ongoing support from their fans or patrons. You can set up a Patreon account and offer exclusive content or perks to your supporters in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. Services or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer services or consulting to your audience. For example, you could offer coaching or consulting services related to your niche. It's important to note that monetizing your YouTube videos requires a consistent, high-quality content strategy and a dedicated effort to grow your audience. It may take time and effort to build up a significant following, but with hard work and dedication, it's possible to earn money through your YouTube channel.